Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RLFTF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I need to in order to build and establish some context here. But a very, very impressive movement today. When you stop and think about the fact that the price at its lows was all the way down here, but by the time the closing bell rang, the price had worked its way all the way back up to that area. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very impressive movement. But that does now lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is going to be down here at the 52 cent mark. Why is 52 cents helpful? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 52, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back to its lows where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But I mean, to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each of those as stair-steps. Well, hey, now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote progress, again, being defined right there at 52 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, it's all about that pink line right now, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. And you can see that's right where the price got rejected from the last 30 minutes. So keep a close eye on that. But if the price can get the break up above there, then you got to like the odds that this thing has a chance of getting back into the 60s. But it's definitely got to be a good high volume break at that level. But all in all, nice bounce. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.